Alright, so guys, I just took out a signal on the gold. Alright guys, so I just called out 1 hour time frame buys on the gold again. This is the second signal. Okay, this is the first signal of the day. First of all, it's not the second signal. This is the first signal of the day. And I'm expecting gold to go up, guys. So the market needs to break above that box that we are seeing right now, and I'm predicting that we can go as high as we were yesterday. um, so I believe that could be these prices here. So here's the first high, and then here's the second high. So where I'm putting those white lines is exactly where I'm expecting the markets to end up around. And when it gets around there, that's where you should be taking your profits. So the trade is inside the box. I'm seeing this trade because of these two candles here. These two candles here, these two buying candles gave me the signal. So I'm now stretching the rectangle so that it can be easier for us to see the main direction, So yeah, guys, I am believing that we are gonna continue upwards, and yeah, we are just gonna smash it after that. Like yesterday, I think we smashed it a lot, and today we're also back at it, and it's going crazy, like really, really, really going crazy. So yeah, are you guys good though today? Hope everyone's good. Remember, guys, if you want to trade gold with me, register an account at FXPRO. The link is on the description. The link is also on the bio. That link should be the link that directs you straight to FXPRO. Alright, guys, everybody should be seeing some good profits now. I told everybody to enter at that time, and I'm also moving up right now. Just be patient, guys. Just be patient. Looks like it's gonna go our way eventually. I don't see the market disappointing us. Everybody should be in profits now. We've now broken above that box, which is the bear line. We've broken above that box now. Now oh yes! Can you guys see what gold is doing? Alright guys, I think that's one of the good trades I've given. Look at that trade move, guys. Yo. I told you guys to take a buy on the gold, and yeah, we're already smashing it. I just opened my fucking eyes, man. Was sleeping just now. Enjoy the money, guys. Those who took the signal, enjoy the money, guys. Enjoy the money. Enjoy the money. Enjoy the money. I'll tell you when to close though. Remember, this is the 1 hour time frame, and yeah, you have to patiently wait for everything to unfold. Continue holding your buys. Continue holding your buys, guys. Continue have to do this now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to switch off the camera a bit. Something I'm looking for here. Alright, guys, we are still holding for buys. It's looking good though. To be honest, I'm quite satisfied with what's happening. Um, yeah, let's be patient. Let's be patient, guys. Let's be patient. I still believe that it's gonna break above crazy. Let me just switch off my camera for now. I'll see you guys later on. Just wanna go have a quick smoke, then come back. Continue holding your buys, guys. We are smashing it. As I told you, I'm waiting for the market to break above the box. We are slightly breaking above that box now. Sorry, I had to switch off my camera, guys. I was taking things out of my room that I can't let you guys see. So, but yeah, when I'm done having my smoke, then yeah, I'm gonna put my camera on. But I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's buys. If you remember, yesterday's buys were these ones. Oh my god, we smashed it. I even gave you that box yesterday and I told you that expect the market to go up here. So have a look at this. This was yesterday's buys. We got out there at the top when I had this change of direction. As you can see, the market tumbled back down. So that's why it's good to always take your profits, guys. I took my profits as we had that big movement, and the market came back to that same point yesterday, changed direction again, and now we just got another setup for buy in between these two candles. So basically, the reason of me having this box here is these specific two candles that happened last night, or the may or the reason why I'm standing here and I'm saying it's a buy. So yeah, guys, good luck. Everybody should be in profits though now. Remember, guys, you must set a timer or that thing that tells you that Bulldoze Forex is going live now, so that it can be easier for you to join my lives instead of, I don't know what you do to get my information or to know that I'm here or I'm starting to go live. But you guys should be getting into profits now. Anybody who's taking the trade in the 1 hour time frame, you should be getting into profits. So remember, my targets are the next two lines at the top, the white line. Here's the second white line there. So those are my targets. Those are points where the market has been at before. And I believe that we can still touch those points once again. Good luck, guys. Continue holding. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Enjoy the money, guys. Enjoy the money. We are fucking smashing it. Let me show you guys. You must be an entry point master, guys. You must be an entry point master. In order to be satisfied with your trading, you must learn to be an entry point master. Alright, guys. I want you to see how precise this is. Okay? Look at that. That is a pure entry point, guys. Pure entry point. I can also zoom it in just so that you guys can have a clear picture. You check. That is a clean entry point, guys. Clean entry point, and we are still pushing up. So my targets are here, guys. My targets are right here. Those are my targets. And if the market gets to the first one, I'll take a portion of my profits. As you can see, I should be close to 1,000 rand just now. And once it gets to 1,000 rand, I'm gonna take half of it and then continue upwards. But other than that, to those who don't know me, eventually you'll know about me. Enjoy the money, guys. If you took the trade, it was in the box 5 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, and it just shot out the box. So if you were not watching that signal, I don't know what I can do for you. There's nothing I can do actually. I've given the signal and it's moved out already. So let's be patient, guys. Enjoy the money, those who took the signal. Oh my god, what the fuck is happening? Is this thing still moving? Oh shit, it is still moving. Alright, guys, remember once it touches that white line, take half of your profit or take all your profit. And once it touches that one too, then yeah. But I'm hoping that it touches this one and everybody gets out because this is gold, can be very volatile, but it's still in the morning in my country. So I think it's gonna move gradually in the morning and then change direction later on in the morning. So continue holding, guys. It's looking good in our direction. All right, guys, we are still pushing up. Enjoy the money. We are still pushing up, guys. Enjoy the money, guys. We are still pushing up. Enjoy the money, guys. Gold is still pushing up. Oh yes, guys, it's stretching out much more. Enjoy the profits, guys. Enjoy those profits, guys. We are stretching out a bit more. Look at that. Look at that stretch out. Remember, guys, if you have any questions, I've opened up the live chat so that you guys can talk and ask questions. Feel free to ask those questions there. We are pushing up, guys. I haven't given the signal to my team yet because it's the morning, it's the first signal, so let's be patient with it. There's still going to be more signals from the market. This is not the last signal we're going to see today. Enjoy those profits, guys. We are still shooting up. Oh, yes, guys. We're good. We are very close to taking half of our profits. We are close to the first TP, guys. Very close to the first TP. Very, very, very damn close. Oh, yes. Look at that. Look at that. One more dollar, and then we get to the first TP. 80 more cents. 50 cents. Get ready to take half of your profits, guys. Get ready to take half of your profits. Get ready to take half of your profits. Take half of your profits now, guys. Take half of your profits now, guys. Take half of your profits. I've taken half of my profits and I've left the rest running. Let's go. We are close to the first TP. We haven't touched the first TP yet. We are exactly at that TP. I've just taken half of my profits just now. If you heard that sound on the thing it went, that's me closing 50% of my trades. Um, so yeah, let's go. We're eating it big time, guys. So let's count how many pips this is now. Yeah, we up about like 500 pips, 600 pips on this trade now. So let's say that I'm gonna take 800 pips in total. But you know what? I'm not gonna set a TP. Let me delete the TP. Let me leave it open. We're gonna touch that first TP now, that first line. Get ready as we're about to touch that line. But I already told you guys take half of your profits. This is the highest point that we've been at since last night, and then there's a higher point there at the top. So, but I'm targeting that we get to this one first. But please take half of your profits. As you can see, the market is already lurking over by that first TP that I said we're going to. So please take some of your profits now. Do not leave all your trades running, please. Excuse me. Damn, I need to cut my hair. Yeah, guys, we are smashing it now. Enjoy those buys, guys. Enjoy those buys. And we are close to that first TP now. Touched. We've touched the first TP, guys. First TP has been cleared out. First TP has been cleared out. Mm. Let's go. Okay, guys, remember, I'm not a trader that sets TPs and stop losses. I just put lines because I don't want the market to always behave at my obvious points. Remember, where you put your stop loss is always the obvious point where the market can always retrace back to. Where you put your TP to is always the obvious point where the market is bound to go to. The market always needs to go back to where it was before. As you can see, as we closed off last night, the market was here. I'm going to explain everything by using rectangles. So as you can see, the market is still here in between these two selling candles. So can you see those two selling candles over there? So, and here's the other high that we need to go to. So this one was quite big. As you can see, it was quite big, quite big. So, but we are looking at these ones over here now. These two selling candles over here. I'm a candlestick trader. I understand the behavior of candles. So now I definitely know that if the market breaks above here, and look at this, the market is now leaving a slight shadow over there, and there's 7 minutes left. If you look here at the bottom, I'm not sure if it shows. Let me see if it says the 7 minutes. Yes, it does show you the 7 minutes there at the bottom. So as you can see over here, it's telling us that there's 7 minutes left until the time changes to what? To 4 o'clock in the morning. I don't know what time it is in your country, but there's 7 minutes until the next hour. So, and you can see that the market is right here where I told you it's going, and we've already taken 50% of our profits. So now it's also time for you to also do the same. The market is still at that stop loss again. I mean, at that entry. I mean, at that first TP. So now we're going to TP2 right here at the top. So I'm going to add some writing here. Alright guys, so this is take profit 2 and then this was take profit 1. So but guys, remember, close half of your profits now at take profit 1. Take half of your profit at TP1. Second one should be there at the top. But if the market shows us a change of direction around this point, then yeah, we can expect the market to continue downwards. As you can see what happened yesterday, the market initiated that big sell, but also at the same time, we saw some nice, beautiful change of direction. And when we go back to the 4 hour, I mean, let's not go back. Let's just squeeze out the graph and I'll show you why the market chose to change direction there. Okay. I was explaining to you guys yesterday that the market always goes back to where it was before. So I'm going to add another rectangle here and show you why this market didn't go below this point. So do you see that rectangle that I have across here? The rectangle that I have across, I put it because of this first candle here. So this is why I like this app, Trading View. I mean, not Trading View. This app that FXPRO has, it's called FXPRO Edge. You can zoom into the candles until you see everything. So as you can see, this setup here is called a bullish piercing setup, whereby you see that the body of this, look at my cursor as I'm speaking. As you see, the body of this candle here is bigger than, I mean, the body of this candle here is half and almost above half of the other candle's body. What do I mean by saying that? So we can see that initially, here's the main candle that initiated the direction, which is the big engulfing candle. Then there was a slight consolidation here. But after this consolidation, we got a signal, which was a what? A bullish piercing line. Then it was confirmed by this candle here. So how do we know that it's bullish piercing line. So where can I get this shit? Trend line, just throw it. So I'm gonna remove this box now. Okay, I'm gonna make it white and I'm gonna make it slightly bolder. I need to show you guys something here. It's part of candlestick analysis. When you're analyzing candles, it's something that you must do. But I'm not telling you how to trade, but I'm just giving you slight advice that you can also look at. So you can see that. So look at the length of that trend line I just put. So look at this specific candle here. Oh my god. Okay. All right. So look at these two candles over here. So I'm gonna make this a bit smaller so that I can use it as my box. Just give me some time, guys. I need to set up everything so that I can be able to explain this trade to you. Why I said it's a bullish piercing line and the market actually came back there yesterday. So look here, in between that box over here, inside this box here, you can see that I've put a white line on the red candle. Okay, there's a white line on the red candle. That white line, if you look at it, the line is only at the body. It's not by the shadows, the long lines on the candle. It's on the body of the candle. So look at that red selling candle. So the line shows you the high of the body and the low of the body. And if you look at this second candle here, the body of this candle is almost above half of the line. So half of the line should be around over here. So let's say we are saying that half of the line is here. So when we say half, half should be around here. I'm gonna add this line here to bring clarification. So I'm gonna drag this line now to here. Okay. So half of this should be around here. And if you look properly, like properly, the body of this candle, the body of the buying candle, it is what? It is above the what? That white line I just put across. I was trying to find the center of that selling candle, and whenever the market creates a candle that has a bigger or that has a body that is bigger than the center of the previous selling candle after a what? After a downtrend or an uptrend, it could indicate change of direction or continuation in an uptrend. So right now we were in an uptrend, and that was the signal. Okay, fine. I've told you that that was the signal. Now let's do some proper analysis too. Now I want you to see something. Now I want you to see that ever since the market created that, the market has been failing to break below there. And we came there yesterday, and there's no candle that broke there. So if we now zoom out, oh shit, that's a bit too much. So if we now zoom out, we can see that all of yesterday's work, what it did was basically go up and come back and test this support, created another setup over here, 1 2 3, slight consolidation. So we can say that the market has already what? Broken the what? The the trend line. So here's the trend line. This has to be the trend line. So you can see that the market broke this trend line yesterday. So we can then now add a bolder color, make it white, and I'm sure now it should make a bit more sense than what you were seeing. You check. So remember I told you about that candle whereby the body is above the center of the selling candle. Then there's a confirmation candle, which is the big one where my cursor is at now. And the market trended all over there. And look at what the market did after that. It came down, never broke the bottom of that candle, and changed direction and went back up. And the same trend line that we've been using, the market has broken it. So if we are also trying to be biased and not trying to trade based on our feelings, we can also add another trend line now that's based from last night. So if we add this trend line from last night, we can see that the market is already breaking that point, you know. Sorry about that. So I'm going to add another trend line to show you that the market has already broken another trend line today that was created from yesterday's candlestick movement. So we can see that here we go again, that the market is officially breaking that trend line. And here's the signal here, and here's the second confirmation. Now the market could be or what potentially going back up to TP2, which was our first initial solution that we saw where the market could possibly be going. So remember, we took a buy today. So I'm gonna remove this now. I'm gonna remove that rectangle. So we can see that today, now the market, we found it here at the bottom, and I gave out the signal because of these two candles here. One, two, selling candle, change of direction, back up. That's what happened over there. And as you can see, that's why we are in profits. So if you want to enter now, you are way too late. Your entry point was supposed to be inside this small box over here. Yesterday, we changed direction over here by the bullish piercing line. This one here, the bullish piercing line signal. And the market broke above there. And the market ever since then has not been able to break below the bullish piercing line. And yeah, we just got another signal here, which was a bullish engulfing over here, and the market has respected that, and we are still trending upwards. So we are killing it today, like really, really fucking killing it. So yeah, that's how I analyze the market using candlesticks. And then there's gonna be all these other things, demand, whatever, all those things that people wanna use when they're trading. So, but yeah, guys, we are really smashing it, really, 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 really fucking smashing it. Alright, guys, everybody should be making some good profits now. I cannot stress it out more. I gave out the signal clearly. You guys should have bossed it up when I told you guys to enter for buys on the Gove. And yeah, now right now there's nothing that we can do about it. If you haven't entered the trade, I am so sorry. Yeah, for real, guys. If you didn't enter the trade, I'm really sorry. But yeah, we are cleaning it big time. I hope you guys took half of your profits, like I told you to take half of your profits. And right now, we're just gonna play the waiting game. That's it. There's no need for us to rush anything now. We've got what we wanted from the market. Clear movements. So yeah, don't know what else you could possibly want from this. So guys, I don't like using trend lines. So and I feel like they make my chart messy. So that's why I'm removing these trend lines now. So yeah, guys, we have touched TP1, and now the target is to go to TP2. But remember, I'll tell you if you have to close some of your trades. Um, so yeah, remember your trades must be inside the box. If they are not inside the box, then we never took the same trade. The trade is completely different because mine was analyzed and I saw inside the box that we must get our trades inside there. So you guys must also fight for the same thing. guys. I'm currently live on YouTube, and I took a buy this morning on the gold. The buy that I took this morning was based because of a bullish engulfing setup that I saw last night. So I gave it a few hours to play out, and it looks like it's already respecting what I saw. But it looks like the main direction is a sell, okay, on the gold. And we can't be too biased and be looking for buys non-stop here. Um, but the 4 hour time frame itself too has already created like a signal for us that should be initiating direction. But remember, we saw our signal on the 1 hour time frame, and that's where we are still holding even right now. All right, guys. So to those who didn't enter the trade, the market is now moving back to our entry point. Not exactly entry point, but the market is now moving back to the box. As you can see, there's a box inside over here. Let me make the chart a bit bigger. I just went live on TikTok too, so that other people can see the stream. Um, so for example, right now, guys, the bullish engulfing setup was seen because of this setup over here. Okay, that's the reason why we are in direction of a buy. And let me open the 4 hour time frame for you. Maybe it's gonna bring some clarification to you too. As you can see, the 4 hour time frame has created two bullish engulfing candles, and this is the first one. So now I'm gonna stop analyzing that 1 hour for clarification for those who don't see what I'm talking about. So there are always types of candles that show you change in the market, but obviously if you can't see those candles, then like it's not a bad thing. That means you still need to learn more of the candles and be able to see them without referencing back to the book. So as you can see, this candle's body here is bigger than the previous candle's body. All right, guys, to those who are watching me on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. If you go to my bio, you'll see my YouTube link and you'll see my chart. So yeah. Um, all right, guys. So as you can see, over here there is a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, that was created yesterday on the 4 hour time frame. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this cursor working. I think this one is disturbing me here. So the market created that bullish engulfing setup yesterday, slightly retraced, and it just created another one just now today. So why am I saying that it just created another one? Guys, I don't want your invite, please. I don't want to talk to anyone. I don't like whatever all these things that happen on TikTok. Guys, remember I told you that I'm going live on YouTube. I'm currently live on YouTube. You'll be able to see my chart there. Guys, please, I'm kindly asking you, please don't send your invites. I don't want to talk to anybody. You guys are very disrespectful online. So I don't have time to be chatting and meeting people. I'm just trading live on my